Got your phone? Alright, let's swipe out of Instagram and see what else is in here. Now let's go through a photo album. Let's,
No, wait.
Here's the thing. I won't open it if you just tell me what's in there.
I had a lump in my breast.
You had a lump in your breast?
And I had a mammogram.
You had a mammogram recently.
I'm best friends with my kids.
Mm-hmm.
And so I FaceTimed my daughter, the hot one.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, you're not going to ask for ugly people's advice. Yeah, I totally get it.
So there's screenshots of her and I FaceTimed me.
With just a tit out. Fuck. Because, like, you know it's in the palm of your hands. Ah! Did you get the